Good night, students and classmates. My name is Jamie Yurani Castro Sea. I am studying industrial engineers. Phase 1. Listen to your teacher and record your answer. 1. Tanya is just loading some photos Instagram. 2. I am sending a message to the mom. 3. Sandra and Marcos are riding horse as the sun is shining. 4. What are you doing there? 5. At 10, I am meeting Marcos just for me quick coffee. 6. She is calling me. 7. I am studying for my exam tomorrow. 8. We are having a great time in Taj Mahal. 9. I am wearing this shirt and pants. 10. Marcos is taking photos of Machu Picchu. Thank you.